Welcome to the work solution for question 27 from the IGCSE Maths Extended 2017 October-November paper 2. But we've been asked to simplify three expressions involving exponents. Okay, if we have a look at the first one, we've got 81 to the power of 3 over 4. Now, if you want to apply any sort of exponential laws, we could see that that's also the same thing as saying the fourth root of 81 to the power of 3. But with this paper, you're actually allowed to use your scientific calculator. So it's probably best just to input this into your calculator, and you should get an answer which should be exactly 27. Now, if you're having any issues with operating the calculator, it's very important that you that you spend some time nutting that out so that you're fully prepared for both the paper 2 and the paper 4 tests. Okay, it's very important that you are comfortable with using the calculator of your choice, the scientific calculator of your choice. Okay, now the next one, we have an expression here, and we've got two bases which are the same. Now, if we apply our exponent laws, because we've got the same base, if we're dividing two terms with the same base, what we can actually do is we can subtract the second term's exponent from the first term's exponent. So we can say, we've got the base, we'll take the first term's exponent, 2 over 3, and we're going to subtract the second term's exponent, so 4 over 3. So this becomes just a basic fraction, okay? Oops, that's negative 4 over 3. So don't forget that negative sign there. So this is actually 2 over 3 minus 4 over 3. Because we're minusing, it actually becomes a positive. So this is actually 2 plus 4. Okay, so that becomes 6 over 3. So x to the power of 6 over 3. Now we can just simplify our fraction here, and that becomes 6. 6 divided by 3 is 2. And so our final answer is x over 2. Now, for the last one is a little bit more trickier, but one thing that we just need to remember when we are dealing with exponents and brackets in particular is that we're going to be multiplying the exponent on the outside of the brackets by the exponent of all of the terms inside of the brackets. Okay, so we're going to be multiplying negative 1 over 3 by 8's exponent, which is 1. Okay, we don't need to show that it's 1, but it's 1. And we're going to multiply negative 1 over 3 by y's exponent, which is 6. So if we do that, that's going to give us 8 to the power of, now remember the exponent of 8 here is 1. 1 times negative 1 over 3 will give us negative 1 over 3. And we're going to have 6 times negative 1 over 3. So y to the power of 6 times. So 6 times 1 is negative 6 over 3. Now, when we have negative exponents, we can actually make those exponents positive by taking the reciprocal. And what I mean by taking the reciprocal is actually flipping them onto the other side of our fraction here. Okay, so we're going to take this guy here and move him there, and we're going to take this guy here and move him there. And there you'll see that by taking the reciprocal, our exponents will take the opposite sign, which in this case is going to be positive. So I'll end up with y is equal to y to the power of negative 6 over 3. Okay, we've taken the reciprocal, so we don't need that negative there. Now it's become positive. Okay, so it's 6 over 3. And we're going to have 8 to the power of 1 over 3. Okay, Now with the y here, I can just say, again, with this fraction, I can simplify this, so that will become my y to the power of 6 divided by 3, which is going to be 2. And by applying one of our exponent laws here, when we have something to the power of a fraction, we actually take the root of the denominator, okay, and then the numerator becomes what the 8 is to the power of. So in this case here, we're going to have the third root of 8 to the power of 1. Now we don't have to put that 1 there. And then through using your calculator if you like, or if you just know it off the top of your head, we should know that the third root of 8 is 2. And we have y squared over 2. Fully simplified, and that is our answer. I hope that helped you out. If it did, please leave a comment below letting me know that. If you need any more clarification, please comment and ask me to clarify any particular points there. I hope it's helped. And again, keep letting me know what questions that you need help with, and I'm more than happy to take the time and do those work solutions for you. So keep being awesome, and I'll see you in the next video.